Hey guys, good afternoon. Can you all hear me, guys? Hey, good evening, good evening. आ रहा आवाज. Hi Aditya, hello Achal. Good evening Sonu, hi Yogita. Good evening Siddharth, hi Ritik, hi Saurabh. Good evening Samiksha, good evening Vaishnavi, good evening Sweetie. कैसा चल रहा है guys? How's it going? All good? चलो, let's begin. No issues, Nikita. Good evening, Fatima. Hi, Sakshi. Good evening. Good evening, Romik. Hi, Vanshi. क्वेश्चन नहीं बन रहे हैं प्रिंस, तो फिर आज अपन 2 दिन से प्रैक्टिस सेशन कर रहे थे ना, स्पेशल पे आ जाते वहाँ पे, है ना. अभी ट्राई करो, यू कैन वॉच दैट लेटर. यस, आज अपन थोड़ा एडवांस क्वेश्चन करने वाले हैं, तो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद दैट. यू ट्राई कीपिंग अप. अगर फिर भी इश्यू हो रहा है तो एक बार फिर से देखना, बस प्रैक्टिस करोगे तो बेटर हो जाएगा. आई डोंट हैव टू वरी अबाउट इट. या Alright guys, my name is Amit Surana and this is our 4th lecture on mixture and alligation. Today we are going to do some advanced question as practice. And guys, if you're planning on being one of these guys, these are our alumni who have made it to the big leagues, right? We're looking at 99 plus percentile everybody. So if you want to be the next picture in next year's poster, so consider taking the subscription and take the plus. Pick up any one of these packages. The best ones are the 12-month and the 24-month one. Use my referral code Surana Live for a discount of 10%. Yes, chalo. Okay, this is our 4th lecture. अपन थोड़ा advanced question करने वाला है. I'm still starting with 3 minutes. Yes, but if you think you need more time, please ask. मैं add कर दूंगा time. ठीक है? Are you all ready? So guys, please don't forget to hit like on this video. पहले like कर दो अगर like नहीं किया अभी तक. चलो, start करो. हाँ, तो प्रिंस वही देखो, मैं एक आपको I'll tell you a quick hack. ठीक है, इसका एक हैक है. हैक इतना सिंपल है कि मैं जब कराता हूँ तब देख के करो, ठीक है. पूरा सेशन खत्म होने के बाद वही सेम क्वेश्चंस लेके आप अपने आप से ट्राई करो, तो तब क्या हो जाएगा, that's called imitation, right? That's like that's a very scientific way. That's called shadowing. It's a scientific way of teaching things to people. जैसे अपन बच्चों को नहीं समझाते. Don't we teach kids? We teach children that when you touch fire you burn, right? So when we do all this, they learn those responses. They learn the approach. अपन चल के दिखाते कैसे चलना है, साइकिल चला के दिखाते कैसे चलना है ना. That's same thing. तो शैडो करने की कोशिश करो, मिरर करने की कोशिश करो, एंड आपका अप्रोच भी सेट हो जाएगा. The amount of time that you'll take to do those questions will also automatically reduce, है ना. तो मे बी 3-4 ऐसे सेशंस देख के ट्राई करो मिरर करने की. एंड इफ यू आर एबल टू डू इट देन गुड, वरना फिर और कुछ सोचेंगे उस पे, है ना. हाय सिद्धार्थ. या एनी टाइम प्रिंस. हाय हुसैन. हेलो शीतल. कॉलेज सबमिशन था आज. नो इश्यू सौरभ, बाद में देख लेना, कोई नहीं. जो किसी कारणवश if for some reason you were not able to attend live, then you can always go and watch that again, है ना. You attended? Superb, Saurabh. Okay, sweetie. Let's wait. Let's see if people are able to answer. If not, then I'll definitely help out. Okay? Anybody? Are you close to the answer? You want me to add the time? All right. I've given extra 3 minutes. Try करो guys, try करो. No harm. कोई जल्दी नहीं है, कहीं किसी को नहीं जाना है. Try करो. आया तो ठीक, नहीं आया तो देखिए जाएगा, है ना. Okay, Rohit says C. All right, we have one answer. Others? नहीं आ रहा शीतल? No issues. चलो कोई नहीं. Okay, I'll do one thing. I'll do the first few steps. फिर आप try करो. I'll explain the question. ठीक है? There are two varieties of saline solution. What is saline? Salt and water. Yes. One variety with 5% salt. So we have variety 1 of saline solution with 5% salt. That means 95% water. Yes. The other saline solution contains what? 75% water. If there's 75% water, then there should be 25% salt. Correct? देखते हैं अगर, because the answers are very precise here, then let's see. C is very close. Okay, superb Yogita, very good Samiksha. Now what are they saying? There's different cost for this, there's different cost for this, right? This is 7.62 per liter, this is 7.82 per liter. Okay, they want a solution, they want a third variety where there is 18% salt. So if there's 18% salt, then there is 82% water. Correct? Now since we are looking to alligate this, what do we want? We want only one of the contents. Let's take salt in this case. Salt ले लेते सिर्फ. Okay, so considering salt, variety 1 is 5%, variety 2 is 25%, variety 3 is 18%. If we alligate this, what would we get? We would get what part of the third variety has V1 in it and V2 in it. Yes, so 25 minus 18 is 7, 18 minus 5 is 13. So the ratio is what? 7:13. That basically means 7 liters of V1, 13 liters of V2. 7 liters of V1, 13 liters of V2. If I mix, I'll get a solution with 18% salt in it. Correct? So what am I getting? 7 liters of V1. V1 is what cost? 7.62 plus 13 liters of what? V2, which is 7.82 rupees a liter. Correct? Yes, this will give me the cost of how much? 7 and 13, 20 liters. So first let's find out for 20 liters, then we can find out for 5 liters. Yeah. So what do we do? Quickly jump to the calculator. As a calculation, it's better that you do it using a calculator itself. Yeah. So what do we have? 7 times 7.62, which is 53.34. 53.34, and 13 times 7.82. 13 times 7.82, which is 101.66 plus 101.66 for how much? 20 liters. Got it. So what are we getting? Overall price 34 and 66, that is 1. 34.66 is 1, so 102, 155 rupees, correct? 102, yeah, 155 rupees for 20 liters. They're asking us for what? 5 liters. So if 20 liters is 155 rupees, then 5 liters will cost us how much? 1/4. 1/4 of 155. Yes. 1/4 of 155, that is our answer, which is how much? 38.75. Yes, 38.75. So closest is what? Not this, not this. This is our closest answer. 1 decimal point extra, but that's manageable. Got it? Everybody? Is this okay with everyone? Yeah. So the answer still will be 38.75. Extra 0.005 shouldn't matter us. ठीक है? चलो, shall we move on to the next one? No Romic, नहीं 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 निकलेगा. यहाँ पे 0 भी तो है, तो अब तो ये भी हो गया 5 का मल्टीपल, ये भी हो गया 5 का मल्टीपल. रोमिक जब डेसिमल लगता है, तब वो आफ्टर दैट इट डजंट मैटर वेदर इट्स अ मल्टीपल और नॉट. ठीक है, चलो, ब्यूटीफुल गाइस, मजा आया. चलेंगे नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. ऑलराइट, ट्राई दिस वन. आराम से पढ़ो क्वेश्चन को, डोंट बी इन अ हरी. आराम से क्वेश्चन को पढ़ो, पूरा समझो उसे, जो भी इंफॉर्मेशन लिखना है वो लिखो, फिर सॉल्व करो. ठीक है. Sorry, that's not gold. Sorry. Answer should be 0%. Answer should be 0% then. It's not gold, should be aluminum. Sorry, my bad. नो वंडर वाई मैंने यहाँ पे गोल्ड का डाल रखा है. सोचो अजितेश, एल्यूमिनियम के बदले अगर गोल्ड होता तो मतलब वहां पे मम्मी कुकर दे के मारती, अपन लेके बेच देते. ठीक है, टाइम बढ़ा रहा हूँ गाइस, टाइम बढ़ा रहा हूँ. Okay, Somesh says C. Others? Anyone else? So Somesh says C. Joshua, so if you're planning on sticking to YouTube, then if you're only planning on sticking to YouTube, then two things you can do. One, either catch up with all the previous ones, right? But then that has almost 1 month plus worth of content. 1 month plus. Yes. Second thing you can do is try out alternative educators if you are willing to go only for YouTube. Yes. My suggestion to you would be, at this point in time, you can try and go for the plus also. Yes. Instead of doing this, if you think that's taking you too much time, and you can go for the plus one also. Okay. हाय अर्पण, एक नंबर बड़ी, आप बताओ. मे बी सी. समीक्षा से सी. योगिता, अक्षय, सिद्धार्थ says B. Achal says D. Okay, so we have B, C and D. आप 2 नंबर. ठीक है, फिर आप ही की मर्जी. एनी टाइम जोशुआ. आओ भाई विनीत. फाइनली डिसाइडेड टू शो अप. ओके, इसको ये एल्यूमिनियम है, ठीक है. Alright, so let's do this question. Let's start with this. See, यहाँ पे बहुत सारा information दिया है. So let's take our time. Let's read what is given. 2 alloys हैं. Overall weight is 20 kgs. Yes. One sheet contains 75% aluminum. Let's say sheet 1 contains 75% aluminum. That means 25% copper. Sheet 2 contains what? 85% aluminum. That means 15% copper. Okay. Now what are they saying? If total quantity of copper in 2 sheets is 617.5 grams. 617.5 grams copper. In how much? In how much? 20 kgs. Are you getting this? Yes, 20 kgs. 20 kgs matlab in terms of grams it is how much? 20,000 grams, correct? So 615.5 for 20,000 grams is how much? 3%. 3 for 20,000 grams overall, because they're saying both together is 20 kgs. Yes, this is how much? 3.0775%. Okay. I think there's some issue with the question. से तो alligate होगा नहीं 3%. No. All right. चलो ठीक है. Let's look at. Yeah, that's what. Something's wrong. Something's wrong with that statement. So forget it. Forget it. Let's try and look at the other areas. Overall 617.5 grams. Okay. Which basically is 31.25 grams का एक शीट. No, Akshay, this is 31.25 grams per kg. It's not 31.25 totally. Per kg, 31.25. Average this is. Yes. So if I say this is 31.25x plus 30y हाँ वेट में ही है सोमेश, दिस इज ऑल्सो इन वेट ओनली, everything given to us is in weight only. There's something wrong here, guys. There's some misinterpretation given in the question. Two alloys composed of aluminum and copper together weigh 20 kilos. Together. वही exactly आदित्य. Okay guys, let's put this on hold. ये नहीं हो रहा. There's some issue with the question. Let's put this on hold. Let's come back to it in a while. ठीक है? थोड़ा सा fresher mindset लेके आते हैं इसके पास. Yeah? चलो आगे बढ़ेंगे. Let's move ahead. Try this. I'll think of that question. ये वाला ट्राई करो तब आप लोग. नहीं योगिता, if you do 31.25 into 20 and 30 into 20, total copper is not coming up to 617.5 ना, है ना? So that also matters, right? One piece of information is wrong there. Any one piece of information is wrong there. वो मैं अभी चेक करके बताता हूँ, वरना फिर आगे बढ़ते हैं. विल डू दैट सम अदर टाइम. ठीक है? Yours makes sense, Yogita. But there's a small problem with that. They're saying two sheets are mixed. So either what you said earlier should make sense, 20 kgs, or what you said later should make sense, the ratio 7:3. If both are 20 kgs, तो फिर रेशियो 7:3 नहीं होगा ना, 1:1 हो जाएगा ना. Would you agree? उस क्वेश्चन में some part is misinterpreted. We'll go check that out and then try again. ठीक है? चलो ये ट्राई करो. This one is simple. Anyone? C. Okay. देखते हैं सोमेश, देखते हैं. चलो कोई नहीं. No harm, no foul. We'll check that out. Don't worry. Others? Rohit also says C. Okay. C. Ivanshi also says C. Super. Chalo. This is a very simple question. Super Bomkar. Look. There are two cans, right? Now there's one can. They're saying what? X and Y ka ratio kya hai? 7:5. So let's consider X. Let's consider liquid X. Okay. In the first can, after removing 9 liters. So there is a bigger can where the ratio of liquid is 7:5. From this we are removing 9 liters. In this 9 liters also, what will be the ratio of X and Y? 7:5 only. Base by part ratio. Whatever is remaining, whatever is the remaining, that will also have the same ratio, 7:5. Correct? तो X in this liquid, remaining liquid में X का क्या है? 7/12. Yes. In the new liquid that we are adding, what are we adding? We are adding Y. अपन Y fill कर रहे हैं, है ना? तो Y में X कितना है? 0. Yes. New ratio becomes what? 7:9. तो 7:9 में X कितना है? 7/16. Agreed? Yes. Now all we need is this alligation. That's it. Khatam. Yeah. So 16 thrice is 48. 12 thrice is 40. 4 times is 48. So 28 minus 21 is 7. 7/48. And on the other side we have 7/16, which is 21. So this is 48 cancel. 3:1 का ratio है. Yes, 3:1. Now what are they saying? They're saying this 9 liters when it was removed, when 9 liters of mixture are drawn off, so extra added Y is this is 9 liters. One part is 9 liters. 3 parts will be how much? 9 into 3, 27 liters. Correct? I should have given 27 in the answer choice, but this is trap. Getting it? This 27 would be trap. Why? Because this is overall. In this 27 we have 7:5 ka ratio. In this 27, yes, no, this is 27 plus 9, 36. 27 plus 9, 36 liters. In this 36 liters we have 7:5 ratio. So 7 parts, 5 parts. That means 21 liters, 15 liters. This is X, this is Y. How much is X? 21 liters. Yes. Nahi, Saurav, not A, it is C. 21. Got it, everyone? Yeah. Faster way of doing would be using reverse engineering. Definitely reverse engineering. Only thing is that you'll have to try it for more number of times. But what is the key here? Key for a good start is X is in the ratio. X is in what parts? 7 parts. X is in 7 parts. So for a good start, you can start with 21 liters. Yes. For a good start, you can start with 21 liters. So if I say 21 liters, X is 21 liters. That means Y would be 15 liters. Overall 36 liters. From this, if you remove 9 liters, the ratio will be what? 9 liters ka ratio will be 7:5. Yes, so after removing 9, when you have this 27 liters, in this 27 liters 7 parts will be x का, 5 parts will be y का, इसमें भी. Getting it? So 27 liters में 27 into 7 by 5 मतलब 7 by 12 एंड यहाँ पे 27 into 5 by 12. यह है x, यह है y. If I add 9 liters back to this, so now the ratio should become what? This should be 7 parts, this should be 7 parts, this should be 9 parts. है या नहीं है वो चेक कर लो, बस खत्म. Yes, ठीक है. Any questions here, confusions, anyone? चलेंगे नेक्स्ट. शैल वी मूव ऑन. सो एलिगेशन है, डेफिनेटली एलिगेशन इज देयर, बट रिवर्स इंजीनियरिंग विल वर्क लाइक मैजिक देयर. ओके, चलो लेट्स मूव ऑन. ट्राई द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. ट्राई दिस long question. Take your time, read it carefully and then answer. Okay, try guys. Aditya says B. Rohit says B. Somesh, Vineet, Ritik says B. Superb. Very good, guys. Very good. Sheetal, Akshay, Nikita, 9 liters. Very good. So this question might look very long on reading, but the aim, the major point in the question is what? There are two types of milks. One is 12% milk solution. Okay. Then there is 39% milk solution. What the customer wants is 21% milk solution. Yes, that's it. Alligate. What do you get? 18 is to, how much would that be? 9. Yes, 18 is to 9. Now look at this carefully. What are they saying? This is a 27 liter delivery. So 18 plus 9, if I consider 18 liters is what? 12% solution. 9 liters is what? 39% solution. How did this 9 liters of 39% solution come in this? Because we removed some from it and added. So how much of 12% was replaced? 9 liters. Why? Because initially there was 27 liters. Now we have only 18 liters left. Remaining how much? 9 liters. That's it. Got it? तुम्हारा भी मिल्क बिजनेस है? अरे वाह ऋतिक, मस्त कमा रहे फिर। FB पे शीतल, आई डोंट थिंक सो, आई डोंट थिंक सो। तो ये क्वेश्चन अदरवाइज बहुत लंबा हो जाता है अनलेस एंड अनटिल यू अंडरस्टैंड दिस। ये समझ गया मतलब आंसर आपके एकदम सामने है। ठीक है, आर वी डन एवरीबॉडी? इज दिस ओके? गाइस एक बार हिट लाइक ऑन दिस वीडियो गाइस, क्विक। हाँ 18 अगर होता तो ट्रैप होता, काश लगा देते, है ना? ऑलराइट, चलो लेट्स मूव ऑन। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। दिस इज लॉन्ग बट दिस इज अ कॉमन क्वेश्चन। आराम से पढ़ो इसको, गो स्टेप बाय स्टेप विद दिस, ओके? एक्चुअली एलिगेशन के ऐसे ही आते क्वेश्चन अक्षय, एलिगेशन के ऐसे ही क्वेश्चन आते हैं आरसी जैसे। Any answers, guys? क्वांट को छोड़ के बाकी सब समझ रहे इसको लोग। नहीं हुआ अक्षय, चलो कोई नहीं, नो इश्यूज। अदर्स? ओके, अर्नव says B 5. Others? सोमेश says B. विनीत ठीक है, कोई इश्यू नहीं। Anyone else? क्लाउड गेमिंग सेज ए, ठीक है, नो इश्यूज। चल कोई नहीं, अभी करेंगे, समझ में आ जाएगा, अभी करते, चलो करेंगे अभी इसको। ऑलराइट, लेट्स लुक एट दिस। देयर इज एन इंडस्ट्री सॉल्वेंट ऑफ 90% स्ट्रेंथ, इट इज स्टोर्ड इन 150 लीटर्स कैपेसिटी कंटेनर, ठीक है, 150 लीटर्स का कंटेनर है, बट कंटेनर में क्या है, 80% ऑफ इट्स कैपेसिटी तक फिल्ड है, मतलब 80%, that means 120 liters filled है, yes, filled with what, 90% strength industry solvent, मतलब इसमें जो केमिकल है, the chemical is 90%, 90% of this would be how much, 108 liters, remaining water is how much, 12 liters, agreed? ये क्लियर है सबको? इज दिस क्लियर विथ एवरीबॉडी? नाउ इट इज रिक्वायर्ड टू डिक्रीज द कॉन्सेंट्रेशन ऑफ द सॉल्वेंट इन द कंटेनर टू लेस देन 60%, ओके। अभी जो 90% पे है, राइट नाउ इट इज एट 90%, वी नीड टू रेड्यूस दिस टू 60%, ओके। ईदर प्योर वाटर कैन बी एडेड टू इट or solution can be removed, but removal can only be done if there is no place for adding water. तो पहले water देखते कितना add कर सकते हैं. Yes, look at this. So we have the solvent, we have the water. Solvent is at 108, water is at 12. Yeah, this is only 120, 30 क्या बोलते हैं लीटर्स का गैप है अभी, 30 लीटर्स का गैप है ना, 120, 150 का पूरा कंटेनर है, बट ओनली 120 इज फिल्ड, सो रिमेनिंग 30 स्टिल एम्प्टी, तो वो 30 पूरा अपन पानी डाल लिए, यस, सो दिस इज 42, दिस इज 108, यस, सो 3 times already done, 3 times already done. Further, now look at this, what is this ratio? 108 is to 42 is basically 54 is to 21 or 18 is to 7, correct? This is nothing but 18 is to 7, agreed? Yeah, now what will we be doing? Since now the container is full, container abhi full ho gaya, now we cannot add anything directly. What will we have to do? We will have to remove things. Now we will have to start removing and then adding water, yes. At this stage, let's not do it this way, let's do it using multiplication factor. Yes, what was it? Solvent का capacity, solvents quantity, solvents new quantity would basically be what? Multiplication factor raised to the power n into old quantity, correct? Old quantity is how much? No, into overall quantity, not old quantity, overall quantity. Yes, agreed everyone? So overall is how, no, old quantity itself, chalo, old quantity itself 108, old quantity. So new quantity we want, what is multiplication factor? Multiplication factor is removal of 10 liters for every 120 liters. Yes, removal of 10 liters for every 120 liters. That basically means 1/12 का removal है. Remaining कितना होगा फिर? अगर 1/12 का removal है तो remaining कितना? 11/12 remaining. This 11/12 is nothing but our multiplication factor. समझ रहे हो? Yes. Now look at this. मल्टीप्लीकेशन फैक्टर क्या है? 11/12 पावर n into 108. What are they saying? It should be less than 60. Less than 60 अपने को चाहिए. Yes, तो 120 का 60 is what? 72. 120 लीटर्स का 60% is what? 72 लीटर्स. मतलब this should become less than 72. समझ रहे हो? This part should be less than 72. अपने को n का वैल्यू ढूंढना है बस. Getting it? So this will be what? This will become less than 72 by 108, which is 11 by 12 n. या तो ये कितना है? 72 by 108 चलो 72 by 108 would be how much? 12 by 18, 2 by 3 है ना, 2 by 3. This is 2 by 3, this is 2 times, this is 3 times. So we're basically looking at how many times. So this should be less than 2 by 3. This should be less than 2 by 3 or less than, in terms of 12 it should be less than 8 by 12. Yes. So 11 by 12 whole power n should be less than 8 by 12. Getting it? So now go trial and error on this. अभी trial and error कर लो. Go trial and error on this. If n is equal to 1, अभी trial and error करेंगे यहाँ पे. If n is equal to 1, then is it satisfying? Is 11 by 12 less than 8 by 12? No, not. Yes. So in this 8 by 12 is actually less than 11 by 12. This is not what we want. No. Try n equal to 2, that means 5. 4 का अपन ने ट्राई किया, 3 ऑलरेडी हो चुका, 3 टाइम्स ऑलरेडी हो चुका. 4 मतलब n is equal to 1, 5 मतलब n is equal to 2, 9 मतलब n is equal to 6, 6 मतलब n is equal to 3. ठीक है, एक एक करके ट्राई कर सकते हो अभी. So now basically what do we have to try? We have to try with 11 square by 12 square, 121 by 144. चेक करो. 121 by 144. Is it less than 66.66? No, still not. Still not. So this is out. This is out. Try this. 6. If n is equal to 6, I think will work. क्योंकि 1 और 2 पे बहुत बड़ा गैप है. Right? If I plug in n is equal to 6, then what would we get? यहाँ पे कर रहा हूं मैं, जगह कम पड़ रही है, देख लो भाई. If n is equal to 6, नहीं, n is equal to 3 पे भी काम करेगा. Try this. 121 into 11. That's 1331 by 144 by 12. 77. तो n equal to 3 पे 77 आ रहा है. So this is also out. Only answer choice left is what? Option C, 9. This has to be our answer. Got it, guys? I understand time consuming है, but अभी फटाफट से ट्राई करके देख लो. If n is equal to 6, then what do you get? 8 by 12 on one side and 11 power 6 by 12 power 6. Yes. Sorry. 11 power 6 by 12 power 6. नहीं, क्लाउड. नहीं, सबका थर्ड कैटेगरी होना चाहिए ये. सभी का थर्ड कैटेगरी होना चाहिए, बट आई जस्ट रियलाइज्ड वी मेड अ मिस्टेक। आई जस्ट रियलाइज्ड वी मेड अ मिस्टेक। अभी क्लाउड गेमिंग पहले नहीं बोल सकते थे, पहले बोल देते भाई, कहाँ फंसा दिया। ओके गाइस, we considered 120 liters, which is wrong. 108 plus 42 is 150 liters. So this is 14 by 15. क्यों करोगे ऐसा? हैं? ऐसा कोई क्यों करेगा? This is 14 by 15 guys, sorry. Anyway, even if you go with 14 by 15, still I think n equal to 9 should work out. Try karo, this will not be 8 by 12 anymore. This will become 10 by 15. Yes. अजीब इंसान है यार। रुको बे, रुक जाओ तुम लोग, ये आंसर ये सॉल्व किए बिना मैं तो नहीं जा रहा। 14 by 15 power 6. So we need to prove that this is less than this. That's it. So 14 power 6 by 15 power 6. 14 power 6 divided by 15 power 6. This comes up to 0.66. This comes up to 0.6610. This is 0.66 bar. So this is our answer. Any which ways, this is our answer, guys. Close enough fractions है तो works out. ठीक है सिद्धार्थ, अभी आपको नहीं समझ में आया तो मैं रिपीट भी नहीं कर सकता क्योंकि इतना लंबा है, मैं पूरा रिपीट करने बैठा 1 घंटा लग जाएगा। Yeah, so any which ways 9 is our answer guys, 9 is the answer. एक बार फिर से देख लो, ये फटाफट से बोल देता हूं। ओके पूरा कितना है? पूरा 150 लीटर्स का कंटेनर, कहाँ गया मेरा वो मार्कर? पूरा 150 लीटर्स का कंटेनर है, एंटायर कंटेनर इज 150 लीटर्स, उसमें से 80% अपना भरा हुआ है, विच इज हाउ मच? 120 लीटर्स। इस 120 लीटर्स में 90% सॉल्वेंट है, केमिकल है, बाकी पूरा पानी है। सो 108 लीटर्स इज 90%, 108 लीटर्स इज केमिकल, रिमेनिंग 12 लीटर्स इज वाटर। यस, कंटेनर में 30 लीटर्स खाली है तो पहले 30 लीटर्स अपन ने ऐड कर दिया ऑलरेडी, तो ये 108 वैसे का वैसा रहेगा। दिस गेट्स एडेड बाय 30 लीटर्स, 42 लीटर्स। सो 3 बार अपन ने 10 लीटर्स करके 3 बार ऐड कर दिया। डन? यस, 3 बार का तो समझ में आ गया। अब आगे क्या है देखो, ये 108 है या 42 है, मतलब टोटल कितना? 150 लीटर्स है। टोटल 150 लीटर्स है। आउट ऑफ दिस 150 लीटर्स वी कीप रिप्लेसिंग 10 लीटर्स एवरी टाइम। That means 10 liters for 150 or 1 by 15 we keep removing. Basically remaining is what? 14 by 15. This remaining becomes our multiplication factor. जो भी remaining है that becomes multiplication factor 14 by 15. 108 is the current quantity of solvent. Yes, what we want is less than. What we want is less than, ये भी गलत होगा फिर, 72 नहीं होगा ये भी। This will also not be 72, this will be 90, less than 90 liters. Yes, so this is 90 out of 150. ये रेशियो भी चेंज हो रहा है गाइस, पूरा चेंज हो गया। कितना गुस्सा आ रहा है मेरे को ये इस पे, रुको भाई। So this basically becomes 3 by 5. दिस बेसिकली बिकम्स 3/5 विच इज 60%, ठीक है। और ये है 14/15, थोड़ा सा चेंजेस है गाइस इसमें। एक काम करेंगे, इसको मैं अलग से वापस सॉल्व करेंगे, रीसॉल्व दिस। मेड अ स्मॉल मिस्टेक हियर कंसिडरिंग 120 इंस्टेड ऑफ 150, ठीक है। एनीवे विल डू दिस अगेन। यस, thank you guys for being a part of this session. Please ensure that you choose one of these courses if you really want to take your CAT preparation from here to here, okay. And guys, this coming Sunday 24th January 12 to 1 p.m. your chance of winning 6 months ka CAT subscription. Yes, if you get ranks 1 to 3, then you get 6 months worth of CAT plus subscription. And if you get ranks 4 to 50, you will get 1000 rupees Amazon voucher. To unlock this, use my code Surana Live. When is this happening? This is happening coming Sunday 24th Jan ko. Don't forget this, guys, okay. Yes, and I am also taking a batch. आज ही शुरू किया है SICI पे. We've just started. Tomorrow 19th we will be doing on compound interest. So if you want to be a part of this, just subscribe to Plus, and the link for this is given in the description. Just use that to enroll. You can enroll using either Plus or Iconic. Apart from what you get there, all like 100 plus educators, unlimited access to live classes, no need to buy books at all. Everything in the form of PDF will be given to you, and there are live tests and quizzes. Apart from that, if you go for the Iconic, then you get a personal coach who will be there every step of the way, whether it is regarding your test, whether it is regarding your any kind of MBA prep, even with respect to what kind of colleges, what applications, how to fill, all of that, right? And there will be standalone OMET, other management entrance exams के preparation के लिए standalone batches होंगे, expert guidelines होंगे, test analysis होगा. So you can consider Iconic also. Yes, this is for Plus. Any one of these packages you can pick. The best ones are the 6, 12 and the 24-month ones. There's the Iconic, where 12 months will cost you 30,000, 24 months will cost you 41,000. If you use my referral code Surana Live, all of these get slashed by 10%. All of these also get slashed by 10%. Yes. Thank you very much, guys, for being a part of this session. Let's meet again tomorrow. Until then, keep yourself safe and happy. Have a great night ahead. I'll meet you guys tomorrow. Keep learning and let's crack it.